Kings Island is an amusement park. It's north of Cincinnati, near Mason, Ohio. I worked on Top Gun, Son of Beast. 2 roller coasters. Top Gun was all about going to the danger zone. Son of Beast was like a sequel to a famous roller coaster at our park. Normally, like, you work like half your shift on one ride and then half your shift on the other ride. I started my day on Top Gun, and I love working on Top Gun. So I go on break. It's like 3-way day, which is chili, cheese, and noodles. So I like take like scoop of noodles, scoop of chili, scoop of cheese, scoop of noodles, scoop of chili, scoop of cheese, and I make a double layered like plate like this big, and then I make a second double layered plate that big. Like, I'm just like pumped up as hell about 3-way day, and I'm so jacked because I was so hungry, and I was just like, hell yeah, like I can like get down on this. And then I finish the rest, feel pretty like okay, just really full. So I go back. 2 other people have to go on break, so I'm stuck in this position basically and for like 45 minutes to an hour, depending on how long they take on break. First I just get like light waves of like, I kind of like maybe like fart real hard, or like my tummy's like grumbling and stuff, and it's feeling not comfortable. I'm not feeling comfortable, to say the least. But I'm not feeling like out of control. Nothing's like that bad. Each wave is like progressively like harder and like stronger, and I have to like stand up, and like I get waves upon waves of these like poop spells where I just like feel like I have to poop so hard, and like it's so intense, and then like it calms down for like a while, like I can like function. I'm like, whew. I'm standing up and just like hoping to God that like the break ends soon. I end up like getting like this controllable wave that just like erupts through me and pushes down, and I just end up crapping my pants completely, just like an entire like diarrheaed like crap load, and it's so serious, and I'm just like what? That seriously just happened? And like I can feel it, like it's like not good. And my supervisor's working down in Top Gun, and he almost never does that. And so I call down to him, and I'm like, Frank, I just crapped my pants. He just like is pretty much in disbelief. He's like, okay, well, I'll send Laura up to take your spot. I grab like paper towels and kind of like put them in my pants. I spray down the entire like box with disinfectant so it doesn't smell like fucking crap. I flush down my underwear in the bathroom. It's like visible outside of my pants, like kind of like, it's not necessarily like crap, but it's like either like butt stank or like sweat or some shit. And I get back, and like the final break comes back, and it's like this like heavy set guy that like he's like, and I'm like, dude, I just crapped my pants, so I think I'm gonna like clock out and leave. And he was like, yeah, dude, totally. One time I threw up, and like pats me on the back or something and says something like really like encouragingly like positive about it. And then I move on my way, and I just like hightail it out of the park as quickly as possible. And I was like, thank God, like reach the car. Like that's the final destination. I take off my pants, and I just like drive home basically naked. My parents, who were both there, and they're like, Alex, you're home earlier than I expected. And I'm like, I crapped my pants, so I left work early. I go up, I take a shower. I went down into my parents' bed and read the entire Harry Potter that came out that year. Jeffrey Tumbleson tumbled into my heart. Jeffrey Tumbleson tumbled into my heart.